your Phosflakes products are easy to keep clean. Wash as often as you like at 60 degrees Celsius. Even with repeated machine washing, rest assured that your Phosflakes product will not become lumpy or change its excellent properties. After washing, tumble dry your Phosflakes product at a low setting, a maximum of 60 degrees Celsius, preferably in a pillowcase. Avoid fabric softener and all enzyme-based detergents when washing Phosflakes products. Shake and fluff your Phosflakes products regularly. Grab the pillow by each corner and give a few quick shakes. The Phosflakes shake will keep your pillows plump. Shake your duvet holding one side at a time. For support pillows, simply grab one leg at a time and shake it in an up and down wave motion. 2 tips to maintain volume. Tumble dry your Phosflakes product for a few minutes at a low setting, or simply let your product air outside.